Yeah, how to remove the white background very fast in adobe CC, which they give a new options called you know object selection, so that we can try here. Earlier we used to take pen tool, this and that, it was a lot of struggling. Based on a picture, so if your photography is very good, then you can apply these options. So let's see how it works. So first, go to select magic wand. There, W is the magic wand. We'll get it here and select the object. Just one click, it's just a magic, it does the magic. So other than that, you can see here it's like few areas you need to take care of here, but it won't be a problem because it saves a lot of time for you. I hope that's it. So this is where you get white background image very clear. So it will be very useful for for image editing.